Let's look at what you need to qualify for a construction loan. First, lenders want a solid credit score. Higher credit means better rates and easier approval. Next, you need stable income and a low debt-to-income ratio. This shows you can handle the payments. A detailed construction plan is required, blueprints, timeline, materials, and builder information. Now, let's talk about the types of construction loans you can choose from. Construction to permanent loan finances the build and then converts into a mortgage. Construction-only loan finances only the building phase. You refinance later. Owner-builder loan available if you're acting as your own general contractor. To explore loan types and eligibility, visit StartHomeBuying.com.